Hello, my name's Fazzy here at the Volkswagen Van Centre in Birmingham, and today I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle.
Today we're looking at this approved used Volkswagen Caddy Cargo Maxi C20. This vehicle comes with a 2-litre TDI diesel engine pushing out 102 PS and also features the Commerce Plus pack. The vehicle itself comes with a manual 6-speed transmission for a more engaging drive. This Caddy also comes in the metallic paint colour Reflex Silver and features twin sliding doors. Across the front of the vehicle, we have a mesh style front bumper that features front parking sensors. The van has 16-inch steel wheels, but also comes with some stylish wheel trims. On either side of the vehicle is a single sliding door, allowing access into the load area, and dotted along the rear bumper are some more rear parking sensors. The load area of this Caddy comes factory fresh, allowing for a variety of different setups, and here we can take a look through the van with access to both sliding doors. Up front in the driver's cab, the driver's seat features the Ergo comfort seat and includes an armrest, and the fabric upholstery comes in the bricks woven fabric. Front passenger as well as the driver both have excellent amounts of leg space. The van also comes with a composition audio with a 6.5 colour touchscreen. This allows access to the radio stations, which includes FM and DAB radio stations. Some of the vehicle information can be accessed here, such as the vehicle reports as well as a few of the assist settings. Down below is a shiny new gear selector as well as a tray and 2 drinks holders. The colour touchscreen also houses a few controls such as the parking distance control, and the driver is greeted with a 3-spoke multifunction leather finished steering wheel. The driver has some basic input options such as increasing and decreasing the volume as well as selecting their desired radio station or track. Some more sophisticated settings such as the driver convenience or assist settings can also be accessed with the buttons on the left hand side of the steering wheel. This van also comes with a cruise control feature. It also features a front city assist with emergency braking function as well as a speed limiter, allowing you for plenty of safe driving.
This vehicle comes with a minimum 1-year manufacturer's warranty and 1 year's roadside assistance. For any further information, you can inquire online or call us on 0121 514 0632. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.